Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, update iOS and Telegram, and make sure your phone number is registered. Once done, check network. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to isolate connection issues. Restart the Telegram app, then the iPhone. This clears transient bugs. If messages still fail, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and reconnect. This refreshes network interfaces. While doing that, open Telegram settings and note any active sessions or login prompts. These details matter for the next, deeper steps. Next, inspect app-level settings. Allow background app refresh, cellular data, and notifications so Telegram can receive codes. Make sure low data mode or restrictive VPNs are off. These can block verification, SMS, or in-app code delivery. Check privacy and blocked contacts that might reroute or reject messages. Also review active sessions under devices and terminate suspicious ones. Then send a test code. Use a coworker or a separate chat to request a code or save a draft. This verifies whether the issue is app, device, or account. To finalize, export important chats. Then sign out and remove the account or reinstall Telegram to clear corrupted caches and settings. If SMS codes never arrive, reset network settings on iOS and contact your carrier about SMS filtering or short code blocking. Also check two-step authentication recovery codes. If problems persist, gather device model, iOS and app versions, and recent debug logs, then submit a support request. One key tip: try a different network or a temporary ESIM. This quickly identifies carrier versus app faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.